Hello and welcome to another series of News on Map. I am Aisha Singh, and in today's video we will be discussing news which are important from Map's perspective and which has taken place this week. So let's first begin with the practice question. And the question was, consider the following statements with respect to India and Bangladesh. First statement was, Bangladesh shares a border with 5 Indian states only. So let's see this. This is the map of India and Bangladesh. So Bangladesh shares border with Indian states like West Bengal first. Second is Assam. Third is Meghalaya. Fourth is Tripura. And fifth is Mizoram. So first statement becomes correct. So this is correct statement. Second is the Tipaimukh bridge is proposed to be built on the Barak river. So Tipaimukh bridge and Barak river. So this is the map of Barak river, and in this map Barak river and Tipaimukh bridge. So Tipaimukh bridge is present in the state of Manipur and is placed on the Barak river. So this statement also becomes right. So in this question you have to talk about the correct statement. So the option C, that is both 1 and 2, becomes correct. So let's begin with today's episode, and the question number 1 is, consider the following statements. So first statement says that the Greater Antilles lie to the south of the Lesser Antilles. So let's see. Okay, this is the map of Greater Antilles and the Lesser Antilles. So this is Greater Antilles and this is Lesser Antilles. So Lesser Antilles lie to the south and east of Greater Antilles. So this says the Greater Antilles lie to the south of the Lesser Antilles. This becomes wrong. So first and the second statement is that Cuba is the westernmost island of the Greater Antilles. This says that Cuba is the westernmost. So these are Greater Antilles, and the westernmost country or the westernmost country can be Jamaica. So this statement, this part becomes wrong, and the second part of second statement is, while Jamaica is the easternmost island. So let's talk about the easternmost island. If we will see the easternmost island, westernmost was Jamaica, easternmost is Puerto Rico. So the second part of second statement is also wrong. So the first statement was wrong and the second statement was wrong, and you have to mark which of the statements given above is or are correct. So the correct answer becomes option D, that is neither 1 nor 2, because both the statements are wrong. Now moving on to the next question. This says, which of the following group of countries belong to the West Africa? So the first A says that Tanzania, Kenya and Uganda. So even if you are little bit aware about the map of Africa, in these three countries, I think most of the people would be knowing the location of Kenya. So Kenya lies on the eastern side of the Africa. So this is the map of African continent. So if we will look at the location of, this is Kenya, and the Kenya is lying on the western side in the European continent. So this option A becomes wrong. Option B says Senegal, Mali and Liberia. So let's look at the map of Senegal, Mali and Liberia. Senegal is lying on the western side, Mali is also lying on the western side, and Liberia is also lying on the western side. So option B becomes right. This is by mistake the option is marked red. So option C says Libya, Tunisia and Chad. So the location of Libya in the African map is on the northern side. So this option is also wrong, and the option D says Malawi, Zambia and Mozambique. So let's see. See, the location of Mozambique is on the eastern side. So this option also becomes wrong. Zambia is also in middle and in southern and in middle of southern Africa. So the option D also becomes wrong. So the correct answer becomes option B, that is Senegal, Mali and Liberia. Moving on to the third question. Which among the following African countries do not border Lake Victoria? So Lake Victoria is not bordered by which country? So these options are Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda and Malawi. So let's see this. So Lake Victoria, this is Lake Victoria. It lies in the African continent, and the countries which shares a border with Lake Victoria is Uganda, Kenya and Tanzania. So if you will look at the map of Africa, so this is the map of Africa. This is the location where Lake Victoria lies. This is Uganda, this is Kenya and this is Tanzania. So Lake Victoria lies somewhere here. So the option, that is Kenya, it shares its border, Tanzania it shares its border and Uganda also it shares its border. So the option which is left is Malawi. So the correct answer is option D, that is Malawi. So where is Malawi in Africa map? So Malawi lies on the south of Tanzania. So Malawi do not share its border with Lake Victoria. So the correct option for question 3 is option D, that is Malawi. Now moving on to the next question, that is question number 4. From south to north. South to north means in the upper direction. This is south and this is north. So from south to north, arrange the following features, regions of Egypt. Now this becomes an difficult question for you to solve. You have to mark the regions going from south to north in Egypt. Option A is Aswan Dam, B Lake Nasser, 3 Nile Delta and 4 Gulf of Suez. And you have to talk about the correct answer. So let's look at the map. This is the map of Egypt, and Egypt also lies in the African continent. So if we look at the map of Egypt and from south to north, if we will see, then the southernmost lies the Lake Nasser, then lies Aswan Dam on second position, third is Gulf of Suez and fourth is Nile Delta. So the northernmost is Nile Delta while the southernmost is Lake Nasser. So the south to north, first would be Lake Nasser, then Aswan Dam, then Gulf of Suez and then Nile Delta. So this would become 2, 1, 4, 3. So 2, 1, 4, 3. So the correct option would be option D. Now moving on to the next question. The fifth question says, a person travels from Israel to Spain through the Mediterranean Sea. What is the correct order of water bodies they will come across during their course of journey? So see, Spain and Israel both are in the different continent. So the water body that is being discussed here is the Mediterranean Sea. So here you should be aware about the Mediterranean Sea. So these are the options. Let us first look at that which all water bodies in which order lies when a person will move from Israel to Spain. So this would be the direction of the person moving from Israel to Spain, that is from east to west. Okay, look at this map of Mediterranean Sea. So this is the location of Israel while this is the location of Spain, and in between lies the Mediterranean Sea. So when a person will move from the eastern side to the western side, it will cross the water bodies, and the first water bodies that will lie is Sea of Crete, second is Ionian Sea, third is Tyrian Sea and fourth is Elboran Sea. So this would be the order of water bodies when a person will move from Israel to Spain. So let's see. First is Sea of Crete, second is Ionian Sea. First is Sea of Crete, second is Ionian Sea, then third was Tyrrhenian Sea and fourth was Alboran Sea. Third is Tyrrhenian Sea and fourth was Alboran Sea. So the correct answer would be option C. Now moving on to the next question. Which of the following pair of countries do not have a border with Brazil? So first of all, which continent Brazil lies? Brazil lies in the South American continent and the countries are Ecuador and Chile. So this is the map of South American countries and this is Brazil. We have to talk about and see that which all countries share its border with Brazil. So first option was Chile. So Chile do not share its border with Brazil and second was Ecuador. So Ecuador lies in, so Ecuador is also not sharing its border with Brazil. And we have to talk about which do not have a border with Brazil. So Ecuador and Chile both are not sharing. So directly we have reached to the answer. Option A would be the right answer for question number 6. Then comes Venezuela and Suriname. So where does Venezuela lie? Okay, Venezuela is this. So Venezuela is sharing its border with Brazil. Second is Suriname. It is also sharing its border with Brazil. Then this becomes wrong. Third is Bolivia and Paraguay. Now let's see Bolivia and Paraguay. Bolivia sharing its border with Brazil. Then comes Paraguay. It is also sharing. So this option also gets eliminated. Then option D is Argentina and Uruguay. So Argentina, this is the position of Argentina. It is also sharing. Then second is Uruguay. Uruguay is also sharing its border with Brazil. So this option also gets eliminated. And we have already reached to the right answer, that is Ecuador and Chile. So the correct answer would be option A. Now moving on to the next question, that is consider the following statements with respect to the Korean Peninsula. So Korean Peninsula. First says the Jeju Islands belong to South Korea. So let's look at this. Okay, this is the map of North Korea and South Korea. So North Korea lies in the northern direction, South Korea lies in the southern direction. So if you will look at the map of South Korea, in the south of South Korea lies the Jeju Island. So Jeju Island is a part of South Korea. So this statement becomes correct. The second statement says the Yalu River flows into the Sea of Japan. So if you will look at this map, this is the location of Yalu River and it does not flow into the Sea of Japan. It flows into the Yellow Sea. So the Yalu River flows into the Yellow Sea. So this statement becomes wrong. Let us do it by the elimination method. We have to talk about the correct statement and the correct answer. So let us remove in which the option 2 lies. So option B gets eliminated and option D gets eliminated. And now we have to look, because the first is correct, both has 1 and 1. We have to look for the third statement, and that is the Korea Strait separates the Korean Peninsula and Japan. So now let's look at this. This is the map of Korean Peninsula. This is North Korea and South Korea, while this is Japan, and South Korea and Japan is separated by the Korea Strait. So this becomes right. So the correct answer would be 1 and 3. So it means option C is the correct answer. Now moving on to the next question. That is question 8. It says if one draws a straight line from London to Warsaw. Okay, London to Warsaw. So London is in United Kingdom. This is London and Warsaw is capital of Poland, which lies in the European continent. So this is, let us draw a straight line from London to Warsaw and then another from Warsaw to Oslo. Then from Warsaw to Oslo. Oslo is the capital of Norway. So this is another line which we have drawn. Then third is, and then again from Oslo to London. And then Oslo to London. So if you will see that a triangle is formed from Oslo to London. It appears like a equivalent triangle which I have showed you. Then which among the following countries will lie entirely within the triangle? So we have to talk about the country which will lie within the triangle that we have just drawn. First country is Latvia. So let us look at the position of Latvia. So Latvia does not lie in the triangle. Latvia is lying outside the triangle along with the Baltic Sea. So this gets eliminated. Second is Germany. Germany is also not lying inside the triangle. It is lying in the southern side of the triangle. So Germany is also eliminated. Third is Switzerland. Let's see. Switzerland also does not lie because it is completely out of the triangle in the southern side of the triangle. So this gets also eliminated. Fourth is Denmark. If we will see the position of Denmark, yes, Denmark is completely inside the triangle that has been formed when we connect London to Warsaw, Warsaw to Oslo and Oslo to London. So the correct statement and the correct answer would be option D, Denmark. Now moving on to the next question. It says, which of the following cities lie closest to the standard meridian of India? Standard meridian of India, which lie closest. So first is Rourkela. Let us first look at the map. Okay, this is the map of India and this is the standard meridian which is being passed. So we have to look for places like Rourkela, Bhopal, Korba and Anantapur which lie closest. So if we will look at the location of Bhopal, Bhopal is lying far from the standard meridian. Then if you will see Anantapur, Anantapur is also far away from the standard meridian. Then comes Rourkela, Rourkela in Odisha is also far away. And then comes Korba, Korba is present in Chhattisgarh. So the place which is lying closest to the standard meridian is Korba, which is present in the Chhattisgarh, while Rourkela is in Odisha, far away, Bhopal is Madhya Pradesh, far away, and Anantapur is in Andhra Pradesh, which is also far away. So the correct answer is Korba, that is option C. Now moving on to the next question, that is, consider the following statements. First statement says the Himalayas span across 10 states and 2 union territories of India. So let's see. If we will look at the location of Himalayas, then it will go like this. That is Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh. So the first statement becomes wrong because it does not cover 10 states. The second statement says Madhya Pradesh is completely composed of only the central highlands. That is saying only the central highlands. So let us look at the map. So the map of Madhya Pradesh is, if you will look into, then this is the map of Madhya Pradesh. So it is not that it is completely covered by the central highlands. It is half, you can say half covered by the central highlands, while the half portion of Madhya Pradesh is not covered by the central highlands. So this statement second becomes wrong, and here we have to talk about that which of the statements are not correct. So first is not correct and second is also not correct. So the correct answer would be option C, both 1 and 2. Now moving on to the next question, which is, this question was asked in the UPSC prelims 2014. So this says Turkey is located between Black Sea and Caspian Sea. So let us see. Okay, this is the map of Turkey. And we have to see that Turkey is located between which two water bodies. So this is on the northern side is the Black Sea and on the southern side is the Mediterranean Sea. So Turkey is between Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. So let's see that Turkey is located between Black Sea and Caspian Sea. No. Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Yes. Gulf of Suez and Mediterranean Sea. No. Gulf of Aqaba and Dead Sea. No. So Turkey is located between Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. So the correct answer would be option B. Now, it's time for the practice question and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. And this says, which among the following cities will lie approximately on the same latitude as the Chittagong of Bangladesh? Same latitude as the Chittagong of Bangladesh. And the options are Gwalior, Kota, Balasore or Jamnagar. So try to solve this question and give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.